बेस्ट पार्लियामेंटेरियन ऑफ द ईयर एज मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा, इस सम्मान से हम सम्मानित करना चाहते हैं श्री गुलाम नबी आजाद जी को. Ghulam Nabi Azad ji is a leading Indian politician and leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha. He started his political career as the secretary for the Block Congress Committee in 1973 and was appointed president of the Jammu and Kashmir Pradesh Youth Congress in 1975 and promoted as president of the All India Youth Congress in 1980, and then he never looked back in his political life. He became Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir on 2nd November 2005, and he became the Health Minister in the UPA, and after the fall of the government, he became the leader of the opposition in 2014. Sir, may we please have you on stage?